Hello, sometimes it is a good idea to buy a big chunk of meat. In this case, it's about 4 or 6 pounds of skirt steak, and I am going to cook the meat once. And with that, I'm going to make 3 or 4 different things. The first thing that I'm going to make, or I already made once the meat is cooked, is Ropa Vieja. And stay till the end of the video for the links. There, I'm gonna put 2 video links at the end for you to do those recipes. You can also go to the top of the menu in my channel, go to playlists, and you will find all those recipes there as well. So the second thing that we can do, remember the meat is already cooked, so we're just gonna season the beef a little bit, and we're gonna brown it on each side, and we're going to make a mojo cubano, and you have your second dish. Your second protein is done or will be done, and you just have to do the side dishes that are really easy too. And those recipes are in my channel as well. The one for the black Cuban beans and the white rice. That is the presentation. You have the Vaca Vieja, is called in Spanish, with mojo cubano on top, Cuban style black beans and white rice, and a little bit of avocado. Simple, uncomplicated, and the recipes are in my channel as well. And the last one is you still have beef. Remember, you just cook it once, and you're gonna shred that beef, and you're going to make a French style sauce. And you can serve it as a sandwich, or you can serve it also uh, with some veggies, with tomatoes and avocado, and you have another meal as well. So those are some of the ideas that I have for you. Sometimes it is more affordable to buy a lot of beef at once, especially if you go to one of those big clubs. But you don't want to be eating the same thing every single day. So these are 4 ideas for you to do different things with the same cut of meat. And it doesn't have to be a filet mignon or a New York steak. You can get the more affordable one and still eat very well. So that's all. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing the video. Chaito.